In this little video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make up one of my concrete E27 lamp holders. I'm actually making up a set for a customer today, so I thought I'd use the chance just to show you how quick and easy it is to actually wire one of these up yourself. So this is my industrial concrete E27 holder, 27mm thread, so the screw-in light bulb just goes in this side and the cable comes out the reverse here. Effectively, it's just a sleeve, nice concrete urban sleeve like that I make in Bristol, and that just sits over the top of the lamp holder, hiding all the bits inside you don't want to see. So internally, you've got a white CE rated plastic lamp holder. This comprises of three pieces: the top part, the centre part, and obviously the cord grip. So the first thing, it's got these two little wings here and here on the side. You take your terminal screwdriver, pop it in very carefully like so, and you're just loosening these off, so you're separating the two halves of the lamp holder. That's the top of the lamp holder that the light bulb goes into. This is the base here. It's got a compression plastic cord grip. So you just unscrew that nicely. It's all a bit of a process as you put it all on in order, and you should find it a lot easier. So the first thing is you take the very bottom of this, you take this apart, you take these two apart like that, so you've now got four pieces. So stage one, because this is the last thing that slides over the lamp holder, this is the first thing that goes on the cable. Your cable presses through here like so. Now you bear back a little bit of the fabric. Basically, fabric cable is just PVC flex covered with a fabric. Some of it's twisted, some of it's normal. This particular customer wanted my aqua cable. So you slide back about an inch, inch and a quarter of the cable like that. You carefully nip away at the white plastic to expose the three inner cores. You've got your live, neutral and earth. Live is brown, neutral is blue, and earth is green and yellow. Now my plastic internal lamp holders don't need an earth. So the first thing you're going to do is identify the green and yellow cable in the middle here, and you're going to cut that back because it's not going to be used, because this is plastic, so it doesn't need an earth. Now you're going to take the two remaining cables, the brown and the blue, and you're going to take off just a little bit of the ends to expose the copper. See, that's what makes the continuity and passes the feed through to the lamp holder to bring the light bulb on. Twist these over nice and tight so as you get a point on the end. Now, as I said about putting them on the cable on order so it all dresses together, the bottom of the cord grip, the first part that you took off there, that goes on first, like so. Slide that down over the fabric cable. Be careful not to pull loads of the fabric back down with it, so just put it on gently. Now the compression cord grip, it's got little four almost claws on the end of it. That's what compresses over the cable. So open them up nicely so as it doesn't drag down over the fabric and cause problems. And then that goes with the feet down first, like so. And then finally, the bottom of the lamp holder, the part with the two little wings on it, that's the final piece that goes on. You might just want to make the copper off again if it's pulled slightly as you've got it through. You just want to you don't want any sort of stray strands of copper. You want it to be a nice neat point. Now, all E27 lamp holders, the center pin is the live and the side pin is the neutral. So identify the top pin like that, you see the middle, turn it round like so, and the two holes on the top are now the live. So the live is the brown, you push that in. Now this is a maintenance free connection, so we've got a piece of metal inside that grabs hold of the cable. Once you've pushed it in far enough, you won't be able to pull it back out. That's now locked into place, no screws at all, so it's really easy to fit these on site. Now the neutral goes into the other side, again push it in nice like that, gentle tug, it should not come back out. You're not looking to pull it as hard as you can, but you should be able to give it a good, and it will stay in place. Now you lock the lamp holder back in place, you'll just hear it click, like so. Now the cord grip. So I'll put the cord grip on in two stages. You very carefully put the second piece like that in place, screw it in nicely. Now that hasn't actually gripped the cable yet, that's just fixed it into the bottom of the lamp holder. Now you take the compression part of the cord grip, the final piece, and you make sure all the little claws, all the little feet of the first piece are inside of this. Now as you screw this into place, it's compressing down over the cable and making it safe. So that's all done up in place now like so. You see it's nice and neat. Now the lamp holder slides in place like so, and that's all taken care of. That is one lamp holder made up. Just put a light bulb in there now, off you go. Got another three to make for this client. I do a supply and fit service, so I can actually make the fittings up for you in my workshop if you want, or you can buy the component forms like this and your electrician or yourself can make them up on site, hence me making the video just to show you how easy they were. These are available online now. I always keep them in stock, so allow a couple of days for me to make them up, send them out for you. And I'm on social media as well. If you wanted to follow my Instagram page, that's @FraserBazant. I'm always posting pictures of my work, pictures of my designs, and I always follow back.